If this is the first time that you are visiting our channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Have you ever wondered who is leading the charge in the world of solar energy? It's China. But how did China reach this pinnacle? Over the past 2 decades, China has emerged as a global beacon in the realm of solar power. They've outpaced the competition with their extraordinary growth in installed renewable capacity, a testament to their commitment to a greener future. By 2022, China had installed roughly as much solar photovoltaic (PV) capacity as the rest of the world combined. China's dominance in the solar industry didn't just happen overnight, it's the result of substantial investment and innovation. Let's rewind to the mid-2000s. The Chinese government made strategic investment decisions that today have us marveling at their foresight. These decisions have yielded tremendous payoffs, catapulting China to the forefront of the renewable energy revolution. Now, it may seem ironic that the world's biggest emitter of greenhouse gases has also become the world's renewable powerhouse. But it's this very dichotomy that highlights China's determination to pivot towards a greener future. Through a rigorous focus on manufacturing and innovation, China has managed to turn the tables and lead in solar power generation. This transformation wasn't achieved by chance or a stroke of luck. It was the result of a conscious shift in policy and strategic investment. China's substantial investment in manufacturing and innovation has positioned it as a key player in the global shift towards renewable energy. However, such rapid growth isn't without its challenges. Now, let's delve into the complexities of overcapacity in China's solar photovoltaic industry. Due to the fast-paced expansion, the industry has faced a surplus in production capacity, leading to an intense scramble to sell, often causing price wars. This rapid capacity buildup at times has sent half the sector into the red. The aftermath, closures and disrupted expansion plans, sending ripples through the global solar market. But here's the twist. This overcapacity, while potentially destabilizing for the industry, has a silver lining. It has played a significant role in driving down the prices of solar panels. And what does that mean? It means solar energy is now more competitive with fossil fuels, knocking down one more barrier to widespread adoption of this renewable resource. Although overcapacity can be seen as a threat to the stability of the solar industry, it has also driven down prices, making solar energy more competitive with fossil fuels. China's approach to renewable energy isn't just national, it also extends to the international stage. The nation has shown a readiness to join hands with others, making strides in global renewable energy development. Take, for instance, the November 2023 pledge. Chinese climate envoy Xi Jinping and U.S. climate envoy John Kerry shook hands on a commitment to triple the global renewable energy by 2030. This pledge is more than just a promise. It's a beacon of cooperation and shared responsibility. It's a testament to China's willingness to play a prominent role, not just within its borders, but on the world stage. And it's not just about expanding their reach or influence, it's about working together for a common goal. The world is in a race against time to meet the targets of the Paris Agreement, and China is running alongside us, not against us. This cooperation is crucial for meeting the targets of the Paris Agreement, and indicates that China is a significant contributor to solar energy development. But as they say, with great power comes great responsibility, and there are potential risks associated with China's dominance. In the solar industry, China's leadership role is akin to a double-edged sword. On one hand, their massive production capacity and investment in renewables have significantly contributed to the global adoption of solar energy. On the other hand, their market dominance raises concerns about competition and energy security. Imagine this. If a country's supply chains are heavily dependent on Chinese production, it could potentially threaten their energy security. This reliance could be detrimental if, for any reason, the supply chain is disrupted. Furthermore, China's low production costs might pose challenges for countries trying to develop their own solar industries. If they cannot compete with China's prices, their local industries might struggle to take off. However, it's essential to remember that these are potential risks, not definite outcomes. The shift toward renewable energy is a global endeavor, and it requires collaboration, not competition. So instead of labeling China as a threat, we should view its role in the solar industry as a catalyst for change. It's pushing the world towards a more sustainable future, and it's highlighting the need for diversified supply chains and international collaboration. China's influence in the solar industry is pushing the world towards a more sustainable future. highlighting the need for diversified supply chains and international collaboration. So it's not a question of whether China is a threat or a leader, but how the world can work together to harness the power of the sun.
If you want us to make this kind of video, make sure you comment below and do not forget to subscribe.